Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss some tips for IELTS writing task 2. So before I start this video, I want to say that students often get confused with IELTS writing task 2. They often mishmash their opinions. They often write either way too much or way too less, and that affects their band scores. There is a lack of coherence from the writing itself, and also the fact that their opinions are not stated properly. Also, sometimes you will see as a reader that students often not only like mash up their writing but also disintegrate their opinions as the paragraph goes on. So they, for example, they will start agreeing at the initial stage, and then as the essay moves on, they will tend to move to disagreement, and this is the wrong way. So let's look at some of the tips. First is, don't try to write 300 plus words. If the question states write 250 words minimum, you must write 250 words plus, but not 300 plus words. This is not a novel, or this is not a story that you have to keep go on and on and on about. Okay, so please don't write 300 plus words. Write about 260 to 280 words. This is okay. Don't spend too much time on writing the introduction. I've seen students write elaborative introductions, like about 100 words, which is wrong. Your intro should be short and concise. Okay, your intro should be about 35 to 50 words. Okay, not more than that, because otherwise you're gonna write the whole spiel, which you don't want. Third is, don't incorporate more than one idea in each body paragraph. Do not incorporate more than one ideas. Also, when you are writing about one idea, don't jump to the second idea. Explain your idea. Why is it so? Why do you think this way? Okay, always explain your reasoning, because if you do not explain your reasoning, what happens is the reader tends to think that this writer is only writing words with no context. Always make context with what you write. Okay, if you think something is good, tell why it is good. If you think something is bad, tell why it is bad. Okay, so for example, if the question states internet is good, do you agree or disagree? If you do agree, then write about why do you think internet is good. If you do not agree that internet is not good, tell why do you think internet is not good. Okay, don't forget to state your opinion. Again, students do not state their opinion at the go. What happens is that the reader is trying to read what the opinion is. If the question is asking your opinion, state your opinion in the introduction only. Do not make the reader, Aladdin or something like that, who's trying to find his princess. Try to make sure that the reader finds the opinion straight away. Okay. Fifth, don't forget to write conclusion. Again, this is the most hilarious part. Students do not even write the conclusion. They will write 300 plus words, but they will forget to conclude. What is conclusion? Conclusion is the summation of all the ideas that you have written. Okay? So please make sure that you write all your ideas and conclude them. Say in conclusion, to conclude. So that closes the essay conveniently, and also makes the reader think that this chapter or this essay is about to finish. Okay. So these are some of my tips for IELTS writing task 2. If you have any further questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button